Okay, so in this board 945 board, this bus termination regulator is there. This, the fourth pin is the VDD output. So there was a short. I used to compare with some other boards. There was some capacitor or some other component which was shorting this to ground, but now it is proper. So I had to remove some lot of components here which were all parallel capacitors which were all shorting. So I went from removing here after some 8 or 9 capacitors removal. One of them here was the culprit. This one. So if there is such a problem, you should have patience and remove them one by one. So for removal, I used to put a gun here, iron here, and then lift this, like this capacitor, lift it from one side. Yeah, this focus. Lift it from one side, then check the short, then put it back. The proper technique is needed for that, because most of the time the capacitors used to come off. Then putting them back is difficult. You need this kind of magnifying glass with a stand. Yeah, so this was the culprit. So you should not lose hope. Now it is not shorting to ground. Or you can, I think you can induce also voltage here. Its desired output was still there when the short was there, 0.9 volt for DDR2 RAM. So if you put 0.9 volt with respect to ground using a battery, something AA battery, it may give you the burnt component may show up. So or other ways to remove it. That is the safer way, I think, because putting voltage here will affect you in the north bridge also. Okay, so be patient and remove the components one by one to find the short. So there were some 15 capacitors I had to remove, SMD capacitors. So around the middle I found the short, this one.